What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to keep it just plain and simple. We're going to do good old American cheeseburgers. But we're going to do it on my flat top griddle. I'll explain more about the griddle here in a little bit later in the video. But hey, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video, guys. Make sure you share it. And hey, let's get started with some good old cheeseburgers. Got my hamburgers here. I've already got them pattied out here. Made a little indentation in the middle so it doesn't bubble up like you guys might have that problem with. But I got my lettuce, my tomato. Got a little bit of bacon I'm gonna put on there. Some onion. And seasoning's real simple, guys. Nothing more but pink Himalayan sea salt, black pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic powder on there as well. But hey guys, that's the whole ingredients, a little bit of butter. Of course I got my buns there ready to go. I'm gonna toast those up. But let's get started cooking. This is my griddle. It turns your stovetop into a flat top grill in a matter of minutes. And to be honest with you, I never take it off of there. So if you guys want one of these, all you gotta do is go to the link below in my description, Steelmadeusa, and also use my promo code, which is part of that link, and it gets you 10% off a purchase, guys. I use this thing probably 3 to 4 times a week. I absolutely love it. I cook breakfast, lunch, dinner on it. You can even put a pot on it and still cook on top of that. So, if you guys want one, make sure you check them out. Steelmadeusa.com. And it's well worth the investment, guys. So let's get started cooking. The first thing I'm going to throw on the griddle over here is some bacon. Just got some regular old bacon from the store here. Throw that up here so it can get rendered down nicely. And I cut it in half, guys, because, you know, it makes it easier to make the sandwich. Alright, so we got our bacon down. Now while this is going, I'm going to explain a little bit about the griddle here. So you got 4 eyes, of course. That's what comes on your stove. You can also buy a half size as well. I think they sell that now as well. But you can it's best to turn all your eyes on at one time. So I usually turn them on. I don't turn them on at the same temperature. But for this side, I'm going to be cooking the hamburgers. This side is going to be the bacon. Then I'll put my buns on there to toast them. But I got these up higher than this side. And it works out great, guys. The middle portion of it here, it gets hot. But I usually use that as like the warming section where I can keep my food warm while the rest of it's cooking. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna let this bacon cook down. I'll be back here in a little bit and put my hamburgers on. The seasoning is very, very, very light. Or very simple, I should say. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. Throw a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt on here. Alright, little black pepper. And we're going to do one side of a little bit of garlic powder, a little sprinkle on there. So we're going to take this over to the grill here. Let me throw the burgers on here. Try to do 2 of them per eye here. Season side down. And I'm going to put the other one in the middle. I'll catch that up in a minute. And as you can see, I got my bacon in the middle just to stay warm. I mean, it's cooking a little bit, but I took it off a little early, put it in the middle just so it'll stay warm. Got my burgers on. We're going to let them cook just a little bit. So while we got the burgers cooking on one side here, we're going to season up the other side. A little pink Himalayan. A little black pepper. And a little garlic powder. Look at that burger. I put that one on first. Look how caramelized it is on that side. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to let those cook for a little bit. I'm going to get my buns together, put a little butter on them, throw them on the other side. We'll be cooking. drop this cheese on one or two of them here. Got some Colby Jack I'm just putting on there. I think I'm gonna let these cook just a little bit longer. And I'm gonna grab my makeshift cover here. Nope, to get that cheese to melt a little quicker. Or you can put some water around it, it'll steam up and make it a little bit quicker. But that should melt that cheese nicely. Look at those buns. Ooh, toasting up. Alright, so I'm gonna drop some cheese on the rest of these here. Look at that cheese melting over there. Ooh, it's wonderful. All right, so I got my bun over here. I'm gonna put this together for you. Got my lettuce. I'm putting on the bottom. A little bit more. There we go. Then, and I got mayonnaise on both sides. I like mayonnaise, so if you don't like it, don't put it on. One big piece of tomato there. Throw a little bit of onion on there. Then I got these bread and butter pickles here. I'm gonna put one or two of those on here. I'm going to put two. I like pickles. Just like that. 4 nice pieces of bacon there. Woo-hoo-hoo, I guarantee. Squeeze a little bit of mustard on there. Just a hint of ketchup. Let me grab one of my burgers. And we're going to set this right here. Look at that. Beautiful. Hamburger on the Steelmadeusa grill. Homemade. Forget McDonald's. Didn't take very long at all, guys. But you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Let me get it for you. Alright, here we go, guys. Homemade burger on the Steelmadeusa grill. By the way, if you want one of those griddles, all you have to do is go to Steelmadeusa and use my promo link, which will appear on the screen and in the description. Guys, and get one of those grills. It's perfect. You don't even have to take it off the stovetop. But hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Wait a minute, hold up! Let me get a bite. I got one hand here, so this is gonna be a little tough. Oh man. Got some homemade French fries right here. I did those in the air fryer. Great. Hey, let me do that again. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Make sure you share it, guys. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.